Welcome to our channel, Inspecting Cybersecurity. In this video, we'll explore Docker for the beginners, where we break down the fundamentals of containerization, what it is, and why it's a game changer for software development. Our agenda covers the compatibility problem, the mechanics of containerization, Docker's 4 pillars, and its core value proposition. Historically, developers faced the quote on my machine problem, where software behaved differently across environments, often requiring complex manual setups. Docker solves this by packaging applications, libraries, and configurations into lightweight, isolated containers that run reliably anywhere. The Docker ecosystem rests on 4 pillars: containers for execution, the Docker Hub repository, reusable images, and the Docker engine. Docker's value proposition lies in consistency across environments, strong security isolation, and superior resource efficiency compared to virtual machines. Unlike virtual machines that boot a separate guest OS, Docker uses a shared kernel model, making it much smaller and faster to spin up. This shared kernel architecture allows containers to bypass guest OS overhead, talking directly to the host for maximum performance. Managing container lifecycles is simple using standard commands like run, ps, stop, and rm. Advanced controls allow you to run containers in the background, map ports to external traffic, and persist data across deletions. If a container exits immediately, it's likely because the task finished. Ensure you use commands that keep processes running indefinitely. Familiarize yourself with essential terminology, from the host machine and kernel to volumes and detached modes. In summary, Docker shifts the focus from managing entire operating systems to managing isolated application packages, enabling reliable deployments. To wrap up, remember that Docker containers rely on the host kernel rather than running their own, which is key to their lightweight efficiency. Thank you for watching this introduction to Docker. We hope you feel more confident in starting your journey with containerization.